I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek of what I just did. Now, I have bees too. Just fed my bees. You see them down there. Got some nice sugar water for them. It's in the middle of the dearth. It's January 2024 and there's nothing to eat for them, no bloom. So I did take 3 frames of honey. So I gotta give them a little bit of feed every now and then. It's my life, guys. Knives, chickens, and bees. See the guard bee right there? They guarding the entrance. This box don't stay here on all the time. I just put it on there today to feed them some sugar water. What this will come off this evening along with the sugar water bottle, and this will go down over the inner cover here. It's a good day to feed them because it's going to be about 59 degrees here, so it's going to be a great day for them. They're going to get some much needed food. All right, we got to give these yard birds some water. It was too cold this morning. My water was froze up down here, so I'm going to be giving them some fresh water here. This is called a hen hydrator. It works really good. You don't have to clean it as often on the inside. You put some water on the ground for them, they'll get poop in it and dirt. They'll scratch all kind of dirt in the water. Water won't stay clean, but this here stays off the ground. It don't let a lot of algae grow in there because the sunlight gets into it, the blue, and it's really good. I like it. Buy these at Tractor Supply. Princess right there, she's my youngest hen. See the yellow feet? Whereas that one's faded, see? I got a bunch of them now. See how many eggs we got today. Let's see. 2, 3, 6. Got 6 eggs. How about that? See my girls, they give back. Thank y'all, girls. That's just another part of what I do during the day, guys. Chickens, bees, and knives. That's my life. And I also make my wife happy. Because you know the old saying, happy wife, happy life. We just celebrated our 35th wedding anniversary on the 7th of January. So 35 years, that's a long time. Got 2 grown boys. I'm about to have, we got 3 grandchildren now, and we got 2 on the way, another set of twins. So just want to say God bless y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in today. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.